In order to guide the exhaust of the steam turbine outside of the hull, I decided to construct a piping, and here you see the partially disassembled steam turbine. I think it's a chance also to look inside. Here you see the wheel, the turbine wheel. Then normally the steam enters it from this right side here, and then it turns it, and finally then also triggering the a generator, which then generates the voltage and the power. This is a cap which was sitting on this turbine, and now normally the exhaust is leaving the button here. And now I built a special device on my latte based on brass to put it over this hole, and then the steam is guided via this tubing to a copper pipe going outside of the boat. Here you can see, look inside, and I have here two nuts which allow the final adjustment of the tube, if this is then also integrated later into this housing. Will be shown in a separated video. Now it is assembled. Let's have a view underneath. You see that the exhaust will go through a separated pipe. So the steam goes in here into the turbine and will leave it at this part, and this will be then connected by a tube to the side of the hull. I made also a fitting which allows to go the steam to go out of the hull. This fitting here is finally fixed at the wall of the hull, and the upper part of course over the waterline. Here we have a ending made of brass, turned on my latte, cut with a thread M10 metric, also cut it here. You screw it through the wall, then you fix it, seal it with some special sealing paste, and then on the bottom here you have the connection finally to the copper tube which comes from the steam turbine, as shown in the last part of the video. So now the final test. All parts had been installed. Here's a connection to the steam pipe, steam going into the turbine, and then the exhaust going out. Here we have the tubing underneath. You see a bit of it underneath of the wood floor, going here, then going up, and to this connection outside. So here the steam will go out. Now we turn on the turbine. see that the exhaust is going out the wind. So once again it is working. And now the night view. It is also much quieter with these pipes. The high frequencies are filtered out by this copper tubing.